Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natasha Nicole, and today we are doing a wig install. This is my Alipearl Hair that I recently purchased, and y'all, this is her, this is she is her, she is me. I'm about to put her on. She is my 18-inch water wave hair. If you haven't seen my unboxing, make sure you check that video out. I am just first starting to install this wig by putting Gorilla Snot on my edges. I just feel like it helps my stocking cap stay in place, if that makes any kind of sense. But anyway, I just start by putting that on my hair first. And now that she's in place, we're good to go. But time out. I want to take a minute out of this voiceover and just tell y'all, like, these things that they're selling on Facebook, I don't know if you've seen them or not, but they're on Facebook, and they're called the Edge Savers, but they're nothing more than a wig grip. But they are charging y'all $10, $11 plus probably shipping for this. Like, not even worth it. Don't buy it. Go get your wig grip from your beauty supply store for like $2.99 or $3.99. Like, thank me later. Ridiculous. Now back to your regular schedule programming. Listen. Time out. Like, y'all, this hair, we went through some things. I actually burnt my lace. When I tell you I burnt my lace, girl, I burnt my lace. Like, look, boo, like, just a big old hole in my lace. Like, next time I would test my lace, but my hot comb was just way too hot and I just completely screwed it up. So I just had to go and replug and cut it back, and yeah, so that's why she looking like cut to the quick. I don't even know, like, you know, like I was supposed to have more space on my forehead, but anyway, I just tried my best to make it work. So this is me putting her on. I had to go back and repluck it just to make sure that, you know, it was just gonna blend. And she looks okay, but she would have looked so much better had that not happened. Like, I wouldn't have to pull it up so far. I feel like, I don't know, it just would have looked better. But right now I'm just taking out a little bit of hair just for my baby hairs, of course. I just think baby hairs just make a wig look more realistic. I like the baby hair look. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I know some people don't want the baby hair look, but listen, that's what I like. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm just taking a little bit of my styling mousse. That's my argan oil one. I forgot, like, not Cream of Nature. Maybe it is Cream of Nature. I don't even know. But anyway, pinning my hair back so I can just kind of shape my baby hairs and cut them to length. Always take a little bit of foundation and just kind of help to blend that in a little bit better. But y'all, it would have been so much better had I not messed up my lace. Like, it would have been further on my forehead. It just would have been, I feel like it would have been 10 times better, but I just screwed it up. So it is what it is. And we learn and we move on. So I want to cut my baby hairs, but make sure you're not cutting them like too short. You just have to kind of like play around. So you just gonna have to kind of like watch me do this. You just play around with them till you are satisfied with the way that they look. Everybody wears their baby hairs differently. You take some away, you know, make some shorter. It's all about how you want to swoop them, but it's up to you. I'm just using a little bit of the Gorilla Snot, the same thing that I used to kind of like hold my wave cap on. Just to kind of mold my baby hairs, just to get them to lay down. Once I actually have done this process, and I take my wigs off every night, so once I take them off, like, my baby hairs stay in place, so I can literally like place it back on, spray some cotton B glue, put it on my head, and I'm at the door. Like, once my baby hairs are done, like, they're done until I wash it, and I have to redo this. So that's why I always like to take a little bit of my Gorilla Snot first, just to kind of see how they're gonna lay before, you know, we really like set them. So yeah, just play around with them and do what it do. Sometimes you have to pluck, sometimes you don't. You just got to remember that you don't want your baby hairs to look like super thick. You know, you just want them kind of be like natural and soft. And that's the kind of look I'm kind of going for, because I'm more like, I've always kind of been like the harsh baby hair, but you know, I'm trying to get just a little bit softer with it. Like I always want them, but just a little softer look. So yeah, it just took some trial and error. That's why I sped this up, cut this out. Like, just take some time, be patient. It's okay. Get them how you want them. Wrap your hair up. Good 10-15 minutes. You're good to go. And since this hair was water wave hair, I was just taking a little bit of water to actually kind of define my curls. Like I said, like this hair felt really thin. Like it didn't really feel like there was a lot of hair on there. But like when it dried, it was okay. Like it was plenty of hair. It actually makes me think, like, have I been over installing my curly hair? Because it looks really full, but it just don't feel like no hair is on there. So, and I believe this hair was, I had to check, I believe it was like 150% density or like 180. So I feel like it was supposed to be more hair than that. But like I said, this is my first wig actually trying. And here I'm just using a little bit of my Curlerific. I buy this from Sally's Beauty Supply. This is like one of my favorite curly hair products. Smells like sunflowers. Whatever that may smell like to you. Kind of smells like, you know, just fresh, clean. I just like the way it smells. And it just kind of gives like this hard crunch, almost like a gel to your hair. But then you can kind of crunch it out. And now this is what you got. And I always just bobby pin mine on. Like I said, this wig, like the ear tabs, I didn't really like the sides. Even if it was it was a 6x6 closure, but I didn't like the sides. So next time I'll probably do a whole frontal. But yeah, this is what she is. I'm kind of pleased with the way that she came out. She came out better than what I thought, considering how I burnt her up. So yeah. And now I'm just taking a little bit, you know, that jam, just to kind of give that a wet look. I really like that at the beginning, and I was scared to actually even take a hot comb to the hair anymore anyway. But as you can see, you got plenty of parting space with this wig, which is a good thing. Yeah, it looks super good, super natural. I just know it would look so much better had I not burned her up. But it's okay, we gonna rock with her. But it looks really good, so I'm pleased with how it came out. And I will keep you guys updated about, you know, my 1 week review, 2 week review. I'll make sure, you know, to keep y'all informed on this hair and how she's holding up. So thank you guys so much for watching. These are my final looks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Deuces. Love ya.